My name is Marie Gore. I am Professor of Law at the Université Paris-Panthéon-Assas, and I am also Director of the Institute of Comparative Law. I teach on the campus of Dubai and Mauritius, private international law, international contracts, or international trade law. In this module, we look at different issues from a theoretical, practical, and comparative perspective. The following questions are going to be overlooked. What freedom do the parties have to choose the law applicable to their contract? What methods are the most appropriate to deal with international contracts? What are the overriding mandatory provisions that might displace the governing law? We will do practical cases and discuss with the students in order to have an interactive class. I think there's one trend which is really fundamental. In international contracts, you have to keep a balance between, on one side, the development of international trade, the freedom of the parties in order to develop international contracts, and on the other side, there are the interests of the state that are at stake. In other words, there has to be always a balance between the interests of the states and the necessary development of international business law or international trade. Basically, the parties have a total freedom to make their contract at their hands. But on the other side, they have at some point to take into account those public interests that are crucial for the state. And in addition, they have to take into account environmental issues, human rights, which are defended by the state. So this is the balance between international trade and the states. The case I'm thinking of is the very recent Ever Given case. This is a very large container ship that was blocked in the Suez Canal coming from China to Rotterdam. Behind that boat, there were 15 vessels waiting and blocked by Ever Given. And you can imagine all the issues that appeared. Insurance issues, towage issues, salvage issues, all these compensation issues, all these are issues that concern international contract in different aspects.